everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you an $80 per hour weird high-paying side hustle that you can do part-time or take a full-blown career if you want, but it's gonna be very weird, okay? But it's real, so let's check it out. I do have to warn you that this method that I'm going to show you today may not be suited for everybody. So if it's not suited for you and you don't want to do something like this, you might as well check out what I do, because it's going to be a lot safer in a sense. And this is for really people who just want to stay behind the scenes and not even talk to anybody, okay? So that one's probably going to be for you, and that's something that I do online, and that's 100% online. So if you want to do online income, that's the way to go, okay? So let's get started to the method that I want to show you today, which is a very super weird. You won't believe this, and it is being a professional snuggler. Yes, this is real, guys, okay? So what this is that you can get paid quite a bit to snuggle with a stranger, okay? And there are actual news reports about this I want to show you so that you know this is real things, okay? So here is one of a success story from 2018. You know, she's getting paid to cuddle, and it's not about sex or anything like that. It's totally platonic. And so this is a real thing that you guys can actually do if you want to, okay? So this is her story about how she actually built a company doing this. This is from 2015, and this is one of the earlier ones here. These are Snuggle Buddy. These people work for Snuggle Buddies, and I'm going to show you some other companies that you can actually work for to become a professional snuggler. Okay, so guys do it too, and girls do it too, but guess what? Females are going to get much more hours because a lot of the clients are men, and a lot of the men want this kind of therapy. It's actually called touch therapy, and actually in this article, what's interesting is that even the guy will have also male clients, because some clients don't care if you're a female or male, and they just want the touch therapy, really. And this lady says she's been doing it and she loves it, and they get paid really well. Like people are paying like $80 an hour, okay? So yes, okay, I'm going to show you the cost. This is the cost of some of the services, but as a professional snuggler, you can make this yourself as well, and I'm going to show you how later in this video, okay? So just hang on a second. So there's two kind of ways that you can get into this field, okay? So I just want to also show you this little article I found, what makes a great professional snuggler, okay? This talks about, you know, you don't need to have any kind of degree or massage license, okay? You don't need to be a woman, but you know what? Majority of the women's gonna get the hours because it's gonna be more requested because there's more male clients. So I just want you to be aware of that, because I read that in one of the articles already. So, and you don't need to take your clothes off, okay? You're not gonna be like have any clothes off. It's fully clothed sessions, and you don't need to do this full. Well, obviously I'm telling you this could be a side hustle, but you know, if you like this, you can actually make a business out of this if you wish. And you don't need your own place, because you can go to your client's place too. And this is, you don't need to feel weird about it. This is the job title. This is the best job title if you ask me, but not everyone gets it when you bring it up. If I'm talking to someone and I don't feel like getting into what I do for work, I tell them I work with people with a familiar therapeutic environment. They don't usually question more after that. You don't need to buy mace, but I think I would recommend this to have in your purse if you are going to be a professional snuggler. So those are the types of things. I mean, you basically need to be someone who is caring to be a professional hugger. So those three companies I found that you can work for. So if you're gonna work for a company, so you're gonna obviously gonna be expecting a little bit lower pay because you're gonna be working for a company. But working for a company has its advantages because they already doing it. So they already have clients, they already have marketing out there. So you could get practice being a professional snuggler with them and learn from companies that are already doing it. So this is a great way for anybody to kind of start because these guys are hiring. So if you go to their hiring tab right here, see this is their hiring page, and they're right now looking for female snugglers, and this is the requirement. Okay, you need to be 18 years old, be able to accept both male and female clients. 99% are male clients. Must accept all races, must accept all ages of clients, as most are over 50. Need to be reliable, positive personality, and strong interpersonal and communication skills. So see, working for a company like this, you're getting $40 an hour, which is actually pretty high. And there's actually going to be opportunities to even spend a lot more time with the client, like overnight. So that's you're going to get paid even more for those gigs. So probably one of the biggest concern is safety, right? So let's go over the safety of this. Although we offer services to a wide variety of people, they all have one thing in common. They need a hug. They are looking for the comfort of somebody's touch, and they will have to fill out like a questionnaire and personal information to get registered with them. So this is another good reason for you guys to actually sign up with a company first before you branch off to the second method I'm going to show you. This first method is going to be better because then you're going to know how to vet clients, okay? You could learn from the company's list how they vet clients, how they're going to get their information so that you can kind of vet the clients and see if make sure I would hope they do a background check and all that before they even go through with this, right? So, and everybody has to have proper hygiene. We have never had any safety problems in our company's history. We have been operating for over 3 years. If you're uncomfortable meeting the clients for the first time at the session, you may suggest a quick public meeting. If at any time a snuggler feels that a client poses a threat to their personal safety, the snuggler reserves the right to end a session or refuse service. Inform your safety contact of the client's name, location, time, and duration of the session. At the end of each session, you must make a safety call to your contact person. If they do not hear from you within 45 minutes, they will call police and send them to your location. This has never occurred. We have an impeccable safety record. They definitely have, protocol if there's any danger in your occupation here. I mean, every job has its hazards, and just depends on what kind of risk you want to do, right? So, I mean, I'm not going to go so detailed about this one because I want to show you the other ones. You can find these guys at thesnugglebuddies.com. Here is another one. This is called cuddlecomfort.com. So this is another company that you can work with because they offer these services. So if somebody wants a hug, this is how it works, okay? You sign up for free in under 30 seconds, and then you're going to search for nearest cuddle buddy. You could message them then without having to explain. They get it. And then you just meet up and cuddle without it progressing to more, because everybody knows that you're only here to cuddle. You can scroll down to the bottom here and look at Become a Professional. So in this tab, it says Become a Pro. Are you a kind, caring, and understanding person who loves to cuddle? Become a professional cuddler with Cuddle Comfort and earn great money as an independent contractor. Okay, so you're not going to be employee of them, okay, guys? So what you need to be one of their contractors is these requirements, which is you just need a photo, you need to be affectionate to anyone, you need to accept all races, no discrimination, basically, and you need to be reliable and so forth, and they have a contract you need to sign. And the highest compensation rate, so you get to keep 85% of the total session price. So I guess the total session price can be anywhere from like the $80 per hour that you saw to higher or lower, a little bit lower, just depending on the pricing. So it says, oh, right here, it says your pricing. We let you choose the price and location of your cuddle services. The market rate is around $80 an hour. but ultimately you can charge whatever you want on a given day. So if you want to keep, so just bear in mind you're keeping 85%. So if you want to make 80 bucks an hour, then you need to charge, a little bit more to get your 85% to make it to 80 per hour for yourself. Okay, so this is another company at Cuddle Comfort. So this is the other website that you may want to check out, because this one is cuddlist.com. And this one is really good because you can actually become a cuddlist here as well. And they have basic and advanced training. And you can list yourself then as a professional cuddler once you have become, after you've become certified with their way of teaching you of how to do it. So if you go to find a cuddlist, will find it here. Oh, sorry, this is the Become a Cuddlist. So this is the training that you can check out and go through it, see some of the pricing. So it's a one-time fee or it's going to be a monthly fee, okay? You could be listed as one of their Find a Cuddlist. You could be on this list. This is worldwide. So this is the site to go to for everybody, okay? So look at this. Look at the competition. There's no competition in Europe, guys. So there's tons of room for you guys to really, look, there's no, look at this. You guys need to become professional cuddlists because competition is wide open, okay, guys? And look, I opened some of these, let's see what they're charging. So let's see. This lady here, Mara, is charging $80 an hour for her sessions. And I could imagine that cuddlist.com would probably maybe just charge maybe a fee to be listed. I'm not sure. Well, you'll have to go look into this if you want to go with cuddlist.com. And like this lady, Keely here, is charging $100 per hour plus travel time if they wanted her to go outside of Chicago. And this one is a guy who's charging $60 an hour. So he's charging a lower rate to get more people, to get more clients, I guess. So it's not just for Chicago, guys, okay? Of course, I don't know how I clicked on just Chicago people all of a sudden. So as you see, Texas, Las Vegas, Canada, there's one there. Germany, see? But, as you can see, there's not a lot of people doing this, guys. So this profession or this side hustle could be wide open for you, and you can charge a lot of money for helping people get that touch therapy that they want. So I hope this qualified for the weirdest, high-paying side hustle that you can do, and maybe even turn it into a full career if you wish. But I'm gonna stay at what I do, which is making money online, guys. If you want to make money online instead and do what I do, check out the second link in my video description, and you can find out exactly what I do, because I can help you out personally, and I would love to be a part of your online journey and make money not touching anybody or talking to anybody if you don't want to, okay? So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. So if you haven't already, guys, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. And I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.